Now let's talk about the missing piece of the stateful widget lifecycle. Before we talk about that missing piece, we should first understand when Flutter is going to call that missing piece. So whenever a state is temporarily removed from the widget tree, the Flutter is going to call the deactivate method. So what will happen when that state is reinserted into the tree? Then Flutter is going to call that missing piece, and which is activate. Let me show you an example. So I have created an application, basic application. In this application, we are toggling the visibility of the some stateful widget, right? And we are only providing a string as a value. And we have only wrapped this widget with the container, which has green color. And this one is basically a plain stateful widget. So let's run this. So now you are going to see when I'm going to change the visibility, it will dispose the widget, but we can reuse it. I will also show you how we can reuse it. So as you can see, the widget is getting disposed. This is not what we want. We want to reuse the state, right? So for that, what you can do, you can create a global key, and we are going to use this global key to share the state, right? So now if I run this, as you can see, deactivate, then activate. Now if I click again, deactivate, then activate. Now we are using the same state. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.